Hey guys, I'm here with
Tonya.
alright, Tonya and where you come from? Alright, Tonya from Greater Port Massawa. If you ship 13 packages with us and you got all delivered except 8, how much do we have outstanding to deliver to you?
How much this? Wait, alright. Just a 30.
Yeah,
And 8. 8 come and the rest don't come.
I'm reading.
So
Like I
just
said, if you ship 13 packages with us and all were delivered except 8, how much do you have outstanding?
30. And 8. And say, much come?
Good question. One last time. Alright.